Hey guys, this is the continuations of the previous structure video. Here we will complete the structure, all the remaining topics. In this video we will learn about how to convert structure object into JSON and JSON to structure back. We have one more concept of the chaining, means we can call structure functions after one by one through the dot operator. Definitely structure belongs to the very similar to the class, so we can use inheritance, or either we can say embedded structure, and we can create a structure with the new function also. Let's see the practical. So this is the last program what we made it. Let's create a separate program over here. Some struct json. Inside it we'll make a new file, that is main.go. Here we'll write down, first add it main package, and we should add the function of main. Over here let's create a first structure. So I'm just creating a structure with the animal that has two property, that is we call base structure. Okay. In structure we can use inheritance also. Suppose animal is, we have drive structure, or you can say the child structure dog, that will use the animal. Animal we can write down like if also, or we can write down like if also. So if we have the same name, so we can use it, same type, we can use it in this way. This is the type and this is the name. Okay, over here we need to write down, suppose I'm taking an example, breed I'm using it. So this is inheritance. So this structure we are using inside in it. Okay, or we can say drive structure, or you can say inheritance through embedding, we can say. Okay, so now in this main program I want to just actually use these two structure values. So how we need to write down, suppose I main dog1 and equal to over here dog, and write down the value of it. So what I need to write down, animal, and this is the animal, and this is the breed over here. Similarly we can make it one more, dog2, and suppose I'm just making the copy of this one, this is also same, and I'm just writing down the variable only I'm changing. Same way I'm just making the one more, and this is variable I'm changing. But over here, so the breed is actually, suppose, is different. Okay, rest everything is same, but breed is different. So if you will compare these structure value, so see, if dog1 equal to dog2, if the value is the same, we will get exactly both are same. Otherwise we will write down both are different. Okay. Now let's me add this one also, this is there. Same way we can write down if dog2 is equal to 3 or not. Here I can write down dog2, here I need to write down dog3 and dog3. Let's run it. Go run main.go. Okay, so dog1 and dog2 are same because both have the same value, but dog3 have the different breed, so that's why it's different. So because structure is also value type, so we can check equality also in the structure. Okay, we can check the equality of the structure. So it's simple, straightforward, like we are checking the equality of the any variables, we can check the equality also over here also. Okay, another thing, in structure, suppose I need to convert the structure value into JSON format, and we know that structure is just basically key value pair, right? All the value, this is key, this is value, so we can convert into the JSON also. To convert into JSON we can use the JSON library. So suppose I'm saying dog JSON is the output will be received, or it could be the error when json.marshal of dog1. JSON I need to be import over here, and then I need to write down colon also. Now I need to simply check if we have error, that's fine. If it does not have error, I need to convert into this string. This is actually will receive into byte format. Okay, let's run it. We see this is the coming as JSON, right? Same thing, if whatever the JSON we have, I wanted to just convert back to the structure. Suppose I am just making a dog4, and this is dog is a structure type. This data I want to receive it, so I will just see dog4. Okay, and this is JSON, or either I can write down JSON in a string format also, backtick, and we can write down like if also. Okay, so once I write down this one, so I need to convert into byte also. To convert into byte, so suppose I'll just simply say var string JSON string equal to, this is a value. Now I need to write down this value over here. So I need to write down byte and the value, whatever the value we have it. So If we get an error, we will receive the error. If we have an error, we will write down the JSON. We will receive the structure over here. We will handle the error. Just simply write down this one, and if we got some error, we will write down, or it's fine also. We'll receive. Here we handle the error. Okay. Now this error also we should be assigned into like a way, or we can just simply say 1, and this one I can use it over here. Okay. So this is the. So now let's print the value. So I'm just simply saying fmt.unMarcel, and this is the object is 4. Now let's print it. Now we can see this is the value came it. Okay. And one more thing, whichever the property it is in capital letter, that only will receive it. So right now we have both the property in the capital letter, that is good thing. So this is the name, body, and this is age, this one, and library is the dog over here. Okay. Suppose there is one more concept that is called tagging. Tagging means suppose JSON property I want to, whenever generate a JSON, I want actually different property name. So to do this one, I need to write down backtick and JSON name. Suppose name I want to be write down name only, and over here also we can write down age, or we can say dog name. Any property also will work. So now let's run it. We can say dog name is coming. This concept we call tagging, structure tagging. Okay, here we can write down in the JSON what output we want. Okay. So structure we can create like a way also. Suppose I'm creating like dog 6 over here, colon equal to a new keyword, and we'll say dog over here. So the 6 will be new structure. Definitely all value will be goes to the 0 value only, and we will print it. We will get it the result 0 also. Why? Because by default string will be give the blank, and only age we will get it. So dog 6 over here, when we run, here we'll get 0 only. Okay, so this is the way also we can create it. So now we will hover it, we can see dog is actually the pointer type of object of the structure. Okay, we can achieve chaining also, structure chaining. So for this we require to create a method, structure method. So let's create functions, that is d, and that is reference variable of the dog. Here we'll write down, you can say set dog name, whatever the name we will receive over here, like name string. Okay, and another thing is, that is, remember for chaining we should be return also same type, means the return type should be the same. What we receive, that should be same, because next function also will call through this one only. Okay, so we will assign it over here. Another one, for example, I'm just going to say set dog age. Okay, so now if I will use it, suppose dog 6, or you can say dog 5 dot, I will simply say okay, dog 4 dot set dog name. Suppose I will give some name, I'll say buddy, and I need to, you can see I can, through the dot I can access the another function also, suppose 6. So like a way we can set it, or like a way we can do through the chaining. Okay, this functions will return another structure, and the structure we can access it like a way. If you want to return this one, if it does not have any return type, so then we mustn't get it. This function is cannot be returned actually further structure, so we cannot call in the chaining. So chaining required this one, this concept. Okay, through the structure what we can achieve types safety, means we can use the structure type, we can use encapsulations. Okay, we can make the inheritance and compositions, we can use it. Okay, this we learn it. We can add the custom method. Okay, that we'll made it over here, custom method, and we can do the JSON actually, Marcel and Marcel also, means encoding and decoding also. We can tagging also, different properties name we can do it also. Okay, and definitely it will use in the concurrency also, that we will learn in the future video. And when we will learn the array, then we will see the JSON array of the JSON object. Okay, so there it's very similar to what we get from the API response. Then we get a lot of objects that is come in the form of the array. So then structure we will make inside in an array. Okay, so this is all about structure, guys. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. I hope you found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a comment below if you have any question or suggestion. Stay tuned in the next video. We'll dive into the custom type or interface. See you in the next video guys. Thank you.